These are so delicious, blood oranges called sanguinella oranges. And they're so delicious, and I'm gonna make them into a juice. I don't know, you can't see Enrico. Enrico's driving. We're going to Slovenia to get some meat, some cherries so I can make a cherry pie. And that's about it. So we're passing through the hills, the green hills here. Tomorrow, Valentino's gonna actually stay at our apartment. Valentino is the Maine Coon cat that is Enrico's father's cat. And because his house is being painted, and you know, they live in an apartment, the house is being painted. What are you gonna do with the cat? The cat's not gonna be happy. So he's just gonna bring the cat to our house, and it's the first time that Freyja and Valentino are gonna meet. So that's pretty interesting. We'll see how that goes. I'll be watching and trying to, you know, let them get used to each other and smell each other and maybe eat together so that they, I don't know, you know, cats. It's better that they eat together so they associate each other with food, and they like each other more that way. People who eat together, as well as cats who eat together, like each other. Food brings people together. People and cats and dogs and other animals too. Hey Enrico! After the supermarket, we came to have a glass of wine in this bar, which has like witches all over the place. Witches are good luck in Italy. It's the Befana. So all hanging from the ceiling are witches. Yeah, a lot of them. A lot of them. Typical bar. I'm using my phone to film. So I was telling Enrico about, I know the lady who swallowed a fly. I don't know why she swallowed a fly. Perhaps she'll die. I was singing this song to the kids that I teach English to this week, and so Enrico's never heard this song. It's an old Canadian song. That and The Cat Came Back by Fred Penner. So Enrico told me that there's a similar song to I Know a Lady Who Swallowed a Fly in Italy. And what's it called?
The Fiera dell'Est, the Fair of East.
La Fiera dell'Est. So the Fair of the East. And it's one of those rhymes or songs that continue and stop. So I can tell you, there was an old lady who swallowed a fly. I don't know why she swallowed a fly. Perhaps she'll die. And then it continues to, there was an old lady who swallowed a spider that wiggled and jiggled and tickled inside her. She swallowed the spider to catch the fly. I don't know why she swallowed a fly. Perhaps she'll die. And then it goes to bird, cat, dog, goat, pig, and horse. And after that, she was dead, of course. That's the song, but it continues. You just have to, if you look on YouTube, you can find the songs. The original one was like 1954. So we came to a Japanese restaurant in Udine, and this is a quasi-new kind of restaurant called Sakura, and it's north of Terminal North in case you live in Udine. Anyways, this is what it looks like. Like this. There's another table there, and then you can see outside to that it's Chinese owned, and there's a lot of spelling mistakes in Japanese. Like they said, Sakura is the name of the restaurant, so Sakura Nihongo Gourmet, but Nihongo means Japanese language, so it's better if they said like Nihon no. And then they spelled edamame like mame with a T-A-E-T-A-M-A-N-E. So they just like, there's a lot of spelling mistakes in the menu. I don't know. They spelled gyoza with an S instead of a Z. I don't know. I'm really picky about Japanese food, and I'm really picky about Japanese food. And so far, the Japanese food or sushi that I've eaten in Italy isn't the greatest. It's not very authentic at all. But I mean, if you're in Italy, you should eat Italian food. But if you live in Italy, you get tired of every day eating Italian food. You know, you can't always have the same thing every day, because I can't. I need change. I'm used to eating international cuisine, so. Now my friends are here. Buonasera. I'm on camera. Ciao. How is it? Good. There's an interesting thing here is that in Italy, in the sushi rolls, in some of them they put Philadelphia cream cheese. For me, it's not good. It's not a good mix, but it's Italian taste, I think. You know, everywhere you go, you have like rolls, and they like to put different things in it. We're in Pan di Bire. Hi, hi. If you don't want to be. Ciao. And so we're here and we're gonna order desserts actually. Sorry if it's kind of blue. Okay, now I did the white, I fatto the white balance. Adesso meglio. Nero. Guardami occhi, come sempre molto scuro. Invece in persona è meglio, no? Sì. On camera, my dark circles look bad, but in real life, it's not like that.
Sembra che stai piangendo.
I'm crying, I'm so sad.
Oh.
This is Bire. They actually have a lot of cakes, and I saw la pastéis di nata here. Pastéis di nata is a Portuguese piece. Did you see that guy there? Grazie. Yeah. I mean that I was gonna take a photo or something, but yeah. No. So I saw that they have pastéis de nata, which is a typical Portuguese dessert. Not really dessert, breakfast, lunch, dinner, like anytime kind of sweet thing that you can have. They're really good when they're good. They're good.